Hey friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, we are going to be making a Beets bank. Are you wondering why I'm saying Beets bank? Because this drink has all the nutrients stored for giving energy to your body. This is a simple blender recipe. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Beets. I'm not talking about the Beets headphones. I'm talking about beetroot the vegetable. Ginger. Lemon. Carrots. Watermelon. Basil seeds. Add 3 tablespoons of water to basil seed. Mix well and set it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the basil seeds have absorbed all the water and are ready. To prepare the drink, to a blender add watermelon, beets, ginger, carrots. We are adding a little less than 1/4 cup of water. If you prefer, substitute with coconut water. Blend on high speed for 5 minutes or until everything blends well. Add a pinch of pink salt. Lemon juice. And blend for 1 minute. If you like, you can strain the drink through a cheesecloth. In a serving cup, add 1 teaspoon of soaked basil seed. Pour the magical Beet Watermelon Detox drink. Garnish with lemon and mint leaves. If you'd like to make this drink cold, you can add ice cubes. Bon appetit and enjoy! If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!